Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best ground beef tostadas. Keep watching. These are the ingredients. And we start off by adding half a teaspoon of olive oil to our hot pan. And then we just add our ground beef. We're going to cook this just like I'm showing you right here. And we just break it out like this just so we can start adding our seasonings. And now we just start adding our seasonings, which I have salt, onion powder, pepper, garlic powder, and we just start giving this a quick little stir just like I'm showing you right here so we can combine all of our seasonings to our ground beef. You can also use ground turkey if you like, and remember, you can always double up on my recipes, okay? I'm also adding a little bit of basil. We then cover this and we cook it for about 15 minutes on low-medium heat. We then start working on our potatoes. I like to cut the potatoes in small cubes. You can do bigger cubes if you like. I like to make them small, okay? 15 minutes have passed and we're gonna be adding our potatoes to the ground beef, just like I'm showing you right here. We give this a quick little stir again, combining everything together, and then we are ready to be adding more seasonings, okay? We're gonna be adding the same seasonings that we added to the ground beef, except the basil. I am not gonna add more basil, okay? I also like to add 1 can of tomato sauce. Once I add the tomato sauce, I also like to fill the can halfway with water and just add the water to the ground beef also. We give this a little stir, combining everything together. We cover this and we cook it for about 5 minutes. The total cooking time is about 10 to 15 minutes, but I like to cook it for 5 minutes and then I come back to it. On the meanwhile, I'm gonna work on the pinto beans. I didn't have any done pinto beans, so I'm just gonna be using a bag, or you can use a can. I like to add a little bit of olive oil, and this is the bag that I like to use, okay? They sell it anywhere, Walmart, Fry's, you can go anywhere, or if you don't have the bag, you can just use 1 can of pinto beans, okay? And I just pour it like this. It's really easy and convenient. Give this a little bit more flavor. I like to add about 1/3 of a cup of milk, any kind of milk, whole milk, 1%, 2%, whatever you have. Just add the 1/3 of a cup of milk, and I also like to add a little bit of cheese. You can add whatever cheese you have. On my case, I'm going to be adding the Fiesta blend. I am also going to add just 1/3 of a cup of the Fiesta blend cheese. But if you have mozzarella, or if you have yellow sandwich slices, you can add 1 or 2 slices to this. This is just to give it more of a flavor, okay? Now we're going to go back to our beef, and this is how it looks. I think about 6 minutes have passed and it's almost done, okay? I'm going to cover this again, and I'm just gonna let it on low-medium heat for another 6 to 8 minutes. And this is how it looks. Our beef, our potatoes, they are done, okay? Now it's time to make our tostada. This is what I have. This is what I like to use. I forgot the sour cream, but that it's okay. It tastes delicious. I like to grab the tostada, put a little bit of beans, and then I like to add the ground beef and the potatoes. And then I just like to add cheese. Like I said, I have the Fiesta blend cheese, but I sometimes use mozzarella. I just like to put that first because it melts with the beef. Then I like to add the veggies, tomato, lettuce. You can also add avocado. You can add sour cream. Like I said, I forgot the sour cream. And then I just like to add my favorite salsa. It's the Cholula. But if you have homemade salsa or whatever salsa you like, you can just add this, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment below. Give me thumbs up and enjoy, guys. Bye.